Welcome to our channel. Imagine walking into a car dealership, feeling anxious about negotiating a good deal due to your bad credit history. You're not alone. Ladies and gentlemen, I have been in the auto financing business for over 28 years as a dealership relationship manager and a regional sales director for 3 major lending institutions. I interacted and conducted business with automobile dealerships 5 days per week. Trust me when I say, financial institutions are built around customers' financial challenges that lead to bad credit. Many individuals face this challenge due to unexpected medical bills, job loss, or other financial setbacks. Dealerships often view those with bad credit as high-risk borrowers, leading to higher interest rates and tougher terms. In most cases, this gives the dealership the upper hand when negotiating car prices and terms. But here's the thing. Bad credit doesn't mean you have to accept a bad deal. With the right knowledge and strategies, you can navigate the car buying process confidently and get a vehicle that fits your needs without overspending. 1. Understanding your credit situation. Understanding your credit situation is crucial when buying a car, especially with bad credit. A bad credit score, usually below 580, can result from missed payments, high debt, bankruptcy, or recent repossessions. This can make it harder to get financing since lenders see you as a higher risk. You may face higher interest rates, larger down payments, or fewer financing options. For instance, if you have a credit score of 500, you might be offered an interest rate of 15% compared to someone with a score of 700 who gets an interest rate of 5%. This difference can add up to thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. But by no means does this hinder you from securing financing for a car. 2. Check your credit score. Before you enter a dealership, check your credit score. Knowing your score helps you prepare for negotiations. Lenders will pull your credit report, so being aware of your score lets you fix any errors beforehand. You can use online tools like Credit Karma or Experian to check your credit score and report. A good credit score is like having a strong hand in a poker game. It gives you bargaining power. 3. Research car options. Researching your options is vital when buying a car with bad credit. Start by looking at different makes and models that fit your needs and budget. Think about factors like reliability, fuel efficiency, and maintenance costs. Some brands, like Toyota or Honda, are known for being affordable and dependable, making them great options for budget-conscious buyers. Online tools like Kelley Blue Book, Edmunds, and AutoTrader can make your research easier. These sites can show you the best deals in your area and help you understand your budget. 4. Knowing the market value of car. Knowing the market value of the car you want is also crucial. Understanding the fair price gives you leverage in negotiations, ensuring you don't overpay. Use online resources to check average selling prices for specific makes and models. For example, if you're looking at a used 2018 Honda Civic, you can check the average selling price on Kelley Blue Book to determine a fair offer. This information will help you during discussions with lenders or dealerships. 5. Preparing for negotiations. Preparing for negotiation is key to a successful outcome. Start by setting a clear budget that includes monthly payments, insurance, and maintenance costs. Stick to this budget during negotiations to avoid being tempted by offers that could stretch your finances. Knowing your limits helps you make decisions that meet your financial goals. Create a budget worksheet to track your expenses and stay on top of your finances. 6. Practice your negotiation skills. Another effective strategy is to practice your negotiation skills with friends or family. Role-playing different scenarios can boost your confidence and help you refine your approach. This practice prepares you for questions or objections that may come up during the actual negotiation. For instance, you can practice responding to questions like, "What's your maximum budget?" or "Can you make a decision today?" 7. Gather all necessary documents. Before heading to the dealership, gather all necessary documents. Bring your driver's license, proof of income, credit report, proof of residence, and any pre-approval letters from lenders. Having these documents ready streamlines the process and shows the dealer you're serious and knowledgeable about the process. This can also give you leverage in negotiations, as it shows your financial readiness. Organize your documents in a folder or binder to make it easy to access the information you need. 8. Know that there are lenders available for bad credit. Every dealership has what is called bad credit lenders. These lenders are in what is called the subprime space. Lenders such as Exeter, Westlake Financial, Global Lending Services and Regional Acceptance Corp., just to mention a few. A few of these lenders extend loans to customers from 400 credit score to what is called near prime at 680. Most of these banks offer prime or good credit loans as well, but do have many solutions for bad credit. If you fall within this bucket, you have a fighting chance to be approved. These lenders' credit guidelines include things such as past repos, past bankruptcies, little or no credit, student loan charge-off, credit card charge-off. Be warned, however, these banks extend credit at higher than normal interest rates, which can range from 10% up to 22% and even higher depending on the specific state law. Knowing that you have a high probability of being approved even if you have not secured your own financing will give you the confidence to negotiate with any dealership. Remember, the power that dealerships have over customers is information. They are trained and prepared for every scenario. You should do the same. 9. Be confident and calm during negotiations. Confidence is essential when negotiating with car dealers. Stay calm and assertive during discussions. Dealers are skilled negotiators, but your composure helps you communicate your needs clearly. Remember, you control the conversation, and a confident attitude allows you to advocate for yourself effectively. Take a few deep breaths before entering the dealership to calm your nerves. 10. Start your negotiations below the asking price. This gives you room to discuss and see how flexible the dealer is. For example, if the listed price is $20,000, consider starting at $18,000. This strategy increases your chances of getting a better deal and encourages a back and forth negotiation. Be ready to support your offer with the market research you've conducted. Advise the dealer that you have access to Kelley Blue Book and Edmunds and that you know the true value of the car. You can say something like, "I've done my research and found that the market value of this car is around $18,000. Can you work with me to get closer to that price?" 11. Be willing to walk away. Be willing to walk away if the terms don't work for you. This mindset protects your budget and shows the dealer that you're serious about finding a suitable deal. If negotiations don't meet your needs, thank them for their time and leave. Often, this can prompt the dealer to reconsider their offer and may lead to a better deal after you leave the dealership. It usually involves a call from the sales representative that goes something like this: "Mr. Customer, I was discussing your deal with my manager and he has decided to come down on the price of the car." This is a powerful tool to remember. During my 28 years banking career, I have seen on numerous occasions where customers have threatened to walk away from a bad deal. Or simply leave the dealership, and in hours and even minutes the dealer calls back to offer a better deal. 12. Do not sit at the dealership for more than 1 hour and 30 minutes. Dealers want to be in control of each customer that walks in the door because being in control means bigger profits. It is not necessary to sit at a dealership and wait for trade appraisal or credit approval after your application is filled out. Dealers use this wait tactic to get you anxious about your credit application approval process. This tactic is primarily used to manipulate you to agree to whatever terms they present to you. All dealer finance sources, i.e. banks, guarantee fast approval because they compete against other banks that are competing for your business, and whoever gives the fastest and best approval gets the deal. These approvals are sometimes guaranteed to be 20 seconds or less. So, there is no need to sit at a dealership for more than 1 hour and 30 minutes to get an answer on your credit approval or appraisal for a car being traded. This knowledge is just the tip of the iceberg as it relates to negotiating a car deal. Please see my channel for a video that explains what to do if you have negative equity and need to trade your car. Negative equity is when the total payoff of your car loan is more than what the car is actually worth. For example, if you owe $10,000 to the bank financing your car, but the actual book value is $7,000, then you are said to be $3,000 in negative equity. This seems to be a big problem because of the recent high car prices during the pandemic and beyond. This channel was created for the sole purpose of leveling the knowledge gap between ordinary people and trained professionals working at automobile dealerships. Please like, Share and subscribe to our channel and view this next video that will help you to bridge this vast knowledge gap.